Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFun. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. You can follow NutriFun over Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. We all want to shed those extra kilos and look good. During this new normal of working from home, this has become more relevant. Working from home means we all are cooped up in our home, spending time by sitting on chair or lying on couch or bed. This sedentary lifestyle makes us to gain more weight. You may got advice from some random people to walk in your room while you are taking those meeting calls, but it is not possible always. You may have to look at your computer screen or you have to take those hand notes while you are on phone. So how will you lose weight during this lockdown? Watch this video till the end. I will give you some diet tips about how to lose weight during this new normal working from home. Start your day with a glass of warm jeera water or cumin water. If you are a non-diabetic, then you can add 1 teaspoon honey into it. Have 2 to 3 soaked and peeled almond daily in the morning. There is a detailed video on almond in the channel NutriFun. If you want to check it out, click on the I button above and you will get the link. Engage yourself into 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity. If you are thinking to do it in the later of the day, I will advise you do it in the morning, because in later you may not get enough time to do exercise or you may feel exhausted, you may be in no mood to do exercise. Now let's talk about the most controversial meal of the day. Yes, I am talking about breakfast. Yes, breakfast is important, but each and every meal of the day is equally important. Never skip any of your meal. This is not going to help you in losing weight. I will advise you to have oats khichdi, dalia khichdi or dal roti in breakfast. Always maintain in breakfast that cereal and pulses should be in 1:1 ratio. You all know that we should eat whole fruit instead of fruit juice. But it is also okay if you want to have fruit juice sometimes. But if you are having fruit juice, do not separate out the fiber from the juice and make it at your home, and do not add sugar in any form into it. Make sure you are not consuming more than 5 to 10 gram of sugar or honey or jaggery in whatever form you are having it. Make sure you are not consuming more than 20 to 25 ml of fats and oils. Ghee, butter, oil, everything is included into it. Have homemade yogurt or curd every day with your lunch, preferably without sugar. Have homemade vegetable soup before 15 minutes of your dinner. Do not have any packed soup or do not order it from outside. Last but most important, control your portion size. Do not eat while you are on phone, while you are doing something on laptop or while you are watching your favorite television show. Your concentration will not be on what you are eating and the chances of overeating will be high of that. Follow these diet tips and go fit. Thank you.